Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video we are going to see methods in list, and we have already used all type of methods in a list. Okay, so I will just recap all the methods. So first is list method. Okay, so this is basically used to create list. Like if you don't want to create list using square brackets, then you can directly do this thing. And another is length, and if I run this, sorry, I should not include, don't include this parenthesis. Okay, run that again. So this len function was returning number of items. Now we have one more function which is count. Okay, so count will basically return a specific item which is repeating again and again. So in our case we have this one element which is repeating two times. Okay, so if I say b dot count, and in parenthesis if I pass this one, okay, and run this, then you can see I got two over here. I will just comment this so you will get more idea. Okay, you can see I got two, so this one is repeating two times. So this is count method. Okay, and this is len method. Then we have append method. This append method is used to append a particular element. Okay, so if you write b dot append, then it will append this car in at the end of this list. Okay, then we have insert method. This insert method we use to insert any element in between of particular item. So you need to provide index number where you want to enter the element, and element itself, which element you want to insert. Okay, so you can see I have wrote print b then 1 just to see that element, but in insert method I have wrote index number and by. So this will basically insert over here. Okay, then we have extend method. So this extend method basically joins two lists and returns one list. Okay, then we have remove. So if you want to remove any particular item, then you need to write a variable name dot remove, then that particular item you need to write that particular item in parentheses and it will remove. Then we have this pop. Okay, so in pop you need to provide index number if you want to remove any specific items. Okay, if you don't want to remove any specific item, then you need to write just pop and parentheses, then it will remove every items from the list. Okay, then same way we have delete method. Okay, delete method also takes index number, but it will take in square bracket, like b square bracket 5, so it will remove fifth element. Okay, this one. And this syntax is same as indexing. Okay, then last we have clear. So this clear function basically removes all the elements from the list. Okay, so next one we have sort. So sort basically arrange our items in ascending and alphanumeric way. Okay, and if you want to arrange your items in descending, then you need to write reverse equals to true. Okay, and if you want to arrange items in ascending, just write variable name dot sort, then it will just take it, it will just arrange in ascending order. Okay, then next we have copy. So we can copy list with two methods. First is copy function itself, and second one is list method itself. So if you write any variable name dot copy, then it will copy the list. And if you write any variable equals to list and in parentheses you will pass a, then it will copy list a and give it to b. Okay, so yeah, these are the functions for list, and we have already understood all functions. Okay, so this was just a quick recap for understanding functions. So this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in next video we are going to start with tuples. Okay, so thank you.